love it.
Dinner for my family.
That's cute.
Yeah. Yeah, I've been terrible at math, and when I give my paper, and it was below horrendous.
I just gave it to my mom. I was like, you keep it. That's how I spent it.
I think the first time my mom and dad knew that performing arts was my forte, when I was like about 2.5, 3, I had this toy piano.
Never have I ever used my parents' name to get out of a situation.
Even when someone's shouting at someone around me, I'll cry.
I think this happened to me like 2 weeks back.
Can I say I regret for Aman?
What? Which
Like, there
haircut?
was this one, I remember now only recently he got this one haircut, and I was like,
yeah.
why did you cut your hair?
Ananya Pandey.
Her ability to be laughy and
Yeah.
positive about everything. So, all is well. And then give me some sunshine.
Yeah.
Those two my favorite songs. I used to make up my own choreography and I used to say, Mama, I used to make everyone sit. Mama, Dadi, Ranbir.
SRK.
Please. Too legendary. Too legendary.
Too legendary to even ask.
Too legendary to even state one.
Hi guys, मैं हूँ Stuti and this promises to be a very exciting interview with two of our Gen Z stars. First times are always special and this is the first time I'm meeting the two of you. Welcome to Fever FM. Welcome
Thank
to
you.
the
So much.
Superwomania show.
Oh wow, I
Superwoman.
love that. I love that.
So Rasha Thadani, Aman Devgan, how's it going for you guys? Over cups of coffee and
The
little
emotions are at
drinks.
large. Yeah, I mean,
Cheers.
there's hope, there's fear, there's nervousness,
There's
there's
fear also,
excitement,
no?
everything. It's like
वो
every
fear to
emotion in the
another
world.
level.
अभी तक जितने एग्जाम्स पास किए उनमें से सबसे नर्वस अब या
Exams.
एग्जाम
No, but this is also very nerve-wracking, yaar.
No, my exams. You
Actually,
won't see me
10th
during
exam
exams.
was-
Yeah.
But 94%.
Okay, the first thing you've bought with your money, has that happened? That you've gifted yourself or someone else?
Oh, I bought dinner for my family.
That's cute.
Yeah.
I mean, nothing specific comes to mind because I think when I got my first paycheck, I just gave it to my mom. I was like, you keep it. That's how I spent it.
Okay, first screen test. Talk to us through that whole.
It was this film.
Yeah.
How was it? Nervous?
Oh, I
Excited?
didn't know what was.
Didn't know what was happening?
Like, I still don't know what's happening to me. I didn't know what I was doing then also. But I think the imperfections is what Gattu sir liked about us.
I think she's also really being very humble right now. She was
No, I'm not.
fantastic
Trust me.
from day one. For me personally, I think Vaibhav sir, the casting for this film, casting director for this film. Yeah, sorry, thank you.
Casting for this film.
I was like, what is a word? And he got this one pager of this character named Govind and a horse, and it just straight took me to my childhood when I seen this film called How to Train Your Dragon, and a bunch more that just gave me that connection. So I actually went to a stable and performed the audition with the horse over there because I didn't want to leave any chance because Gattu sir makes a film once every I don't know how many years. I just just gave it my all. Yeah.
Okay, finally, कब पता चला कि यही करना है? I want to be in front of the camera and I want to do this.
I think, I don't know when the first time I felt because it's always been a love for me. But I think the first time my mom and dad knew that performing arts was my forte, when I was like about 2.5, 3, I had this toy piano and a toy mic and I just used to scream in it. Like, I just go, I just scream. And my mother and dad used to look at me and like, यही करेगी ये. मतलब, and then I used to, look at the TV and try and copy their moves. And I have so many videos which are online also where I would, try dancing on these. And my favorite song was All Is Well. Like, and then give me some sunshine. Those two my favorite songs. I used to make up my own choreography and I used to say, Mama, I used to make everyone sit. Mama, Dadi, Ranbir, Papa, everyone sit and I would dance for them. And
अच्छा बोलने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. So
Yeah.
he was a performer.
And they have so many videos where I used to say, keep filming me. I said, take video. Why are you not taking video? like the videos, and then
Take video. This is all on video.
and then after I would say that, I would say, show me, show me, show me, show me. So,
Checking the monitor since then.
yeah.
Checking the monitor, sir. Not
Yeah.
bad. Yeah,
Yeah.
we fully believe this story. What about you?
I think for me it was always cinema was always the talk, you know, day to night
yeah.
when you help from a family. That has been in cinema for so many years, and I think I remember once when I was very young when I saw Bhagat Singh, and I was too small to comprehend what film or acting even means.
Yeah.
And I just went up to my uncle and I was just like, why are you wearing this? You were wearing this. Why are you changing? Where's your mustache gone? Where is this? Where is that? And he was saying, no, that's acting. This is real. So I think that was, as a child, I think that was a spark. But then it was
Life
like,
comes a full circle.
yeah. And I think when I was 15 or 16, I was like, okay, this is what I want to do. And I just started working towards it.
Super. So we're going to do a never have I
We've been
ever
just staring at this
for the
like,
first time
oh, it's
with
hard.
this new duo.
Don't hit her, it's actually hard.
Thappad.
Never have I ever for the first time with this duo. So Rasha and Aman, हम जो बोलेंगे सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे.
Agreed.
Never have I ever been on a dating app.
No, never.
Never have I ever pretended to know someone when I had no idea who they were.
Pretended to know someone?
When you actually didn't know them.
ये तो हुआ है, सबके साथ हुआ है. Everyone's done this.
Yeah, बड़े लोग आए होंगे. A lot of people know you. Okay, never have I ever stalked my ex on social media. I mean, you wanted to have.
No. I was seeing, I didn't want to by mistake put I have.
Okay.
See, you're not supposed to look back. Once it's done, it's done.
Okay. Never have I ever used my parents' name to get out of a situation. It's natural.
In fact, I should do the opposite.
Not tell.
Yeah, because that might land you in more trouble actually.
Never have I ever cried when shouted at.
Yeah. Even when someone's shouting at someone around me, I'll cry.
I think this happened to me like 2 weeks back. My uncle was yelling at me for something.
You cried?
Yeah, he was like, you're not eating enough protein, and I was just like,
Ajay Devgan was shouting at you for not eating protein.
Manu cried.
Super. Okay. Never have I ever tripped in public and then pretended like it never happened.
tripped in public.
All the time. Big
Don't let
Boss,
them
when I was
know.
getting out of my van, I tripped. And then I was like,
Yahi
whatever.
to tha.
It's
It was
okay.
part of the script. Okay. Never have I ever gotten a haircut and regretted it immediately.
I used to love getting my hair cut. I used to love cutting
Never
bangs and fringes.
I think you regret sometimes the first 2 days you're like, oh my god, what is this? And then it just comes
Can
in.
I say I regret for Aman?
What? Which
Like, there was
haircut?
this one, I remember now only recently he got this one haircut and I was like,
yeah.
why did you cut your hair?
No, but that's because you prefer my long hair, always.
Yes, I was like, why? Like,
But
I
it's been
regretted
long
for
for
him.
4
That
years
answer
now.
I'm regretting
So I'm just
for
doing
you.
this halfway.
Okay.
No.
Never have I ever failed in an exam and hid it from my parents.
Failed.
Oh, once in grade 4 or 5, I've always been
I think
terrible at
हुआ
math.
ही होगा.
Yeah, I've been terrible at math and when I give my paper and it was below horrendous. I remember I came back and I was like, yeah, Mama, it's okay, I got a B. And then,
B is not failing.
no, I didn't actually get a B.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, I actually got way below a B. And then I remember eventually she found out because I left the paper, I hid it in the photocopy machine.
Oh.
So she found it and then she said, it's okay, why didn't you tell me? I was like, yeah.
Okay. Never have I ever been dumped. Never have I ever tried to mimic a dance step of a famous star.
Yeah, all the
course.
time.
Con. Who's your like?
Any song that comes out, we try and learn the hook step.
Yeah.
What about you?
Yeah, definitely. I think last night I had put on my TV and in my hall I was dancing.
Did you
As
try?
much as I could because I've got knee surgery right now. So my
But you know
knees
what
are-
is amazing is इन्होंने बड़े लोगों के dance steps copy किए होंगे, but अब लोग आपके कर रहे हैं, and you're sharing those reels. It's amazing. The new song is making waves. Can you do whatever you did with Uyam? It just
Play it for me. I won't be able to
quickly
sing.
love it. Super,
Chalo, bas.
super, amazing. Making of this song because अब तो ये legendary status ले रहा है. How long did you have to practice the dance steps?
I think we practiced for 4 days.
And was it easy for you to pick it up?
dance has always been my love, so I enjoy doing it. So it was a challenge because it's always a challenge to do a step up, and Bosco sir is one who's gonna like push you to your potential, like really push you.
He's called you versatile, huh? Full praise coming from
Yeah, I saw that
Yeah.
article. Yeah, I messaged him also. Thank you, sir.
Okay?
It's okay.
Yeah, we'll do game.
Okay.
ट्रेलर में आपने तो घोड़ा लिया किसी का, अब मैं कुछ नाम बोलूंगी, इनसे आप क्या चीज है जो लेना चाहते हो?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Interesting.
विराट कोहली,
His skill,
cover drive,
his
bro.
perfection at everything.
His cover drive.
cover drive perfection. Okay. काजोल,
Her positive
Jolliness.
energy. Oh wow, same thing.
एक साथ तो मत बोलो.
Her positive. Okay, so he said that.
Her positive energy.
Her jolliness.
Lovely. Tabu,
Oh my God. How to choose?
I think her voice.
Her power.
Like, not like I wouldn't want that voice. It would look very.
her
But
power.
I think her voice is very like
Yeah,
cool.
yeah.
The dum in her.
okay. रवीना टंडन, सब तो सारे जीन्स तो आ ही गए हैं ना? I think he can answer.
What? Think of something you would want, yeah?
अरे, how to choose?
Her kindness, her love,
हाँ,
her
ठीक है.
giving nature. She's so sweet.
Yeah.
अजय देवगन,
His eyes. Intense.
and he speaks so much.
Yeah.
Okay. Ananya Pandey,
Her ability to be laughy and
Yeah.
positive about everything.
I was gonna say the same. Like her jolly
Yeah.
attitude.
Yeah.
I just love how she's always happy no matter
And
what.
doesn't take things too seriously.
Yeah.
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 Janhvi Kapoor,
Her dance moves.
nice.
I think her dance moves, if it was equivalent to like a guy's
boy.
dance moves, yeah, you know.
Okay, Siddhant Chaturvedi,
His rapping,
His rapping, bro, for sure.
Varun Dhawan,
Kali Kali boy.
his dancing, his power, his energy.
Comic timing, energy, everything. I'm a big VD fan, by the way.
SRK,
Please. Too legendary. Too legendary.
Too legendary to even ask.
Too legendary to even state one. Can't touch.
but here's to many more interviews
you.
and many more good films.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.